Hello everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel of Developers and Code Club. Today we are here to discuss the problem running miles, which came in the recent contest of Codeforces that was around 870. So in this situation, what we need to do that we will be given an array like this, and we need to find an index to index L and R, such that the maximum three sides of that segment will be bi1, bi2, bi3. So we want to maximize this term. That what is that? That we first of all will choose to index L and R, take three most beautiful sides from that, and minus the distance from L to R from that, and we want to maximize this one. So okay, just think that we are choosing A, B, and C as our maximum sides, and this is from segment L to R. This is our given array. There are some elements. There are some elements. There are some. There are some. So just think that we are choosing L from here and R from here, and A, B, C are the maximum from L to R, and the answer from this segment will be sum of A plus B plus C minus R minus L. Then write A plus B plus C minus R minus L. So just tell me that instead of taking this segment, like if our final target is to choose the A, B, C only, then instead of choosing L and R from these, we can choose L this one and R this one. Because what is our target that we want to maximize A plus B plus C, and we want to minimize R minus L because that is negative. So instead of choosing L R this one, we can choose L and R that indices which are giving us maximum numbers also. So L and R will be this. So instead of this is our final term where R and L will be indices of either A, B or C. So just think that this is our segment. So instead of writing this like this, I can write it like A plus L minus plus B plus C minus R. Is this right? This is same as this one. What I am doing that I will my target is that I will iterate for every number from 1 to n minus 1, and for every number I will choose that like such thing that this is our B. I will iterate for every number from 1 to n minus 1, and I will think that okay, this is our B. Then I will choose that A plus L from the left side and C minus R from the right side. And how I will choose these two? For that I will make a, a prefix array and a suffix array. And what is that? That is for maximum. Like if I just think that 2, 3, 1, 4, and 5. Then if I am choosing B as or 1, then I will check that what is if I choose 2 or 3. So what I will choose which is giving us maximum this A plus L. So for this 2, what will be that? 2 plus 1. Because value of L is for this one is 1. And for 3 that is 2. So 3 plus 2 that is 5. So I will choose this one. And same for this, but here I will subtract like 5 minus value of R is 5. 4 minus value of R is 4. So both are similar, so I can choose any. So what my target is that I will iterate from 1 to n minus 1 for every B, and I will make a prefix maximum array and suffix maximum array, and from that I will choose that what will be the our final answer. So let's just see the code. Okay. So first of all, I'm taking the inputs, then prefix array, then suffix array, and how I am creating my prefix array, that is prefix of previous and array of I plus I, that is same as A plus I. Then for suffix, I'm iterating my loop from reverse side. Then suffix of I plus 1, my prefix and suffix both are 1 based index. So for that, I'm taking I plus 1 here. That will be maximum of further one and array of I minus I. So this is prefix suffix. Then I will choose over B from 1 to n minus 1, and value of n's will be updated as This is our B, this is our prefix, and this is our suffix. So this will be our final answer. So you can check the code in description. I hope you all understand this one. See you in the next one. Till then, happy coding. Bye bye.